Hi, this is Miss Doherty, and I'm here to show you how to use some built-in tools in NoodleTools to create in-text citations. So if you're not sure what to use for an in-text citation, there is a built-in tool that will give you a suggestion. So this is my list. I'm in a project right now. I'm in the source page, and this is my list of citations so far. Um, Remember that citations, in-text citations are always the first word or a few words of a citation. If there's an author's last name, you always use that. If there's no author, then you go to the title. In this case, activism is the title. If I were to have two citations just with the title activism, I would then have to go into some other words. You want to make sure you distinguish the in-text citations so people can match them up to something inside your works cited page. Well, now I'm going to show you how to do it. It will work with two types of sources, but not one. If you have a copy of a pre-formatted citation, which was one that you copied and pasted from a database, it will not work with that one, and I'll show you what you can do instead for that. But there's a new feature in NoodleTools where you can export citations from the databases. In that case, it will work. So if I go to Options here, and I click on In-Text Reference, it says that an example for this source, now this is a book that was in a database. You probably will just have it say database. If it were a print book, you would need a page number from your note cards, but this is not a print book, so in that case I won't have a page number. But what I will have is, at the end of my sentence, activism, as I just said, it would be the title right here. So if the database does not provide page numbers from the original print source, omit the page numbers from your in-text reference. If it were a physical book and it were on page 56, I could then type that, and then it shows me how it would look. It would have activism in quotation marks with no punctuation, followed by the page number, enclosed by parentheses with a period at the end. If it were a direct quote from the source, you would also have a quotation mark at the end of the word sentence. This is just an example. Okay, so that's one. Assault weapons. This is from a website, smartgunlaws.org. Same thing. Options. If I go here and I go to in-text reference, it shows me that at the end of my sentence I would want to have assault weapons for this particular citation, etc. For a book. Now, in this case, what will happen is, for this one, this is a database, but it's pre-formatted. I copied and pasted it, so let's see what happens there. If I go to in-text reference, it tells me, since you created the citation for this online database via copy-paste or edited it manually, please refer to the rules and examples below to construct the in-text reference. You've been given some materials in class. There's some handouts also attached on the NoodleTools tutorial page, so you can go ahead and look at those, or you can look down here and it'll give you examples of what you should do in various situations. Okay, so that's how you use built-in tools with NoodleTools to create in-text references, parenthetical citations. Good luck. Let us know if you have questions.